Do facial expressions in your thumbnails, such as happy, sad, surprised, calm, affect the click-through rate of your videos? I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy's hot new tool called Click Magnet to get more views on YouTube. You'll be able to quickly identify what your audience is craving and what style of thumbnail drives the most clicks. Stay tuned throughout the video to learn how to use Click Magnet to grow your channel faster. Here's how to get to the Click Magnet tool. Click on the TubeBuddy icon, click Launch Click Magnet Now. It says expand your audience and drive more meaningful views by turning your videos into click magnets. So I'm going to click Get Started. There's 4 main features to Click Magnet. We've got power rankings if you want people to watch more of your videos and create content they crave. We've got CTR opportunities, which get the most bang for your buck when focusing on improving these videos. Element Inspector, discover which elements of your video packaging are actually driving clicks. And Advanced Analytics, where you can view and export a variety of advanced metrics and video data. Let's go to Power Rankings. This shows you your top ranking videos based upon CTR, which is click-through rate, watch time, and number of clicks. In the drop-down box, you can also select YouTube Search, so you can see your CTR, watch time, and clicks for YouTube Search. Suggested videos, you've also got CTR, watch time, and clicks. And Browse Features, which is the traffic that comes from your home screen. You also got metrics, where the green is the 90th percentile, light green 80th percentile, gray 70th percentile, and so on. So if I go back to YouTube Search, these top ranking videos have a high click-through rate, high watch time, and a high number of clicks. This tells me if I want to do better in search, I need to focus on making videos similar to these top ranking videos. If I select suggested videos, these are top ranking videos for suggested videos. If I'm trying to better these suggested videos, then I need to focus on making videos similar to these top ranking videos. If I select Browse Features, these are the top performing videos in Browse Features. If I want to improve the videos to get more subscribers, then I need to focus on making videos similar to these top ranking videos. Let's take a look at the next feature, which is CTR Opportunities. These are the videos that are performing well on my channel, but not enough people are clicking on the videos to watch the content. For example, they have great watch time, impressions, average view duration, but they have a low click-through rate. Click Magnet has identified these CTR opportunities, so I can change the thumbnails and titles so more people can watch these videos and receive my content. This saves me a ton of time going into my YouTube analytics to identify the videos that have high CTR opportunities. YouTube says that if you want to get more of your content in suggested videos, then you need to improve the click-through rate and the watch time. Let's look at the next feature, which is the Element Inspector. This tells you what kind of thumbnails are driving the most clicks. We've got face or no face in the thumbnail. We've got emotions, and we've got sizes. We've also got text or no text and words in the titles. So if I click on face, no face, then I can see that 3.9% click-through rate is from videos that have faces in the thumbnails. The majority of my thumbnails have faces, so the no faces doesn't really apply. Let's look at the next one, which is emotions in the thumbnails. So if you use a happy face, then I get 4.15% click-through rate. I don't use any sad faces in my thumbnails, so I won't have any data for that one. I've got surprised faces, which is 2.5% click-through rate, so it's not as high as happy faces. Then I've got calm faces, which is 2.34% click-through rate. So it's not as high as happy faces, which gets 4.15% click-through rate. If I click on sizes, then I got 5.72% click-through rate for a long shot. This is where I stand further away from the camera. Then I got medium shot, which says a 2.3% click-through rate, only 2 matching videos. Then I've got a close-up, which is 4.04% click-through rate, 38 matching videos, so that's a good sign. Then I got mixed size faces, which is 3.31% click-through rate. Most of my videos have close-up faces. So if I want to improve the click-through rate of my thumbnails, I need to have a close-up of my face that is smiling and ideally with no text. Let's look at text or no text. When it contains text, I get 2.86 click-through rate. When it contains no text, then I get an 8.36% click-through rate. So that tells me that I have to use less text or no text in my thumbnails. Let's look at words and titles. So if I use the word shorts in my titles, then I get 6.81%. If I use make, I get 5.77% click-through rate. If I use 2021, I get 4.75 click-through rate. If I use how, I get 4.3% click-through rate. If I use YouTube, I get 4.08% click-through rate. If I use subscribers, I get 3.4% click-through rate. So obviously if I use shorts in the titles, like my shorts videos, it gets a high click-through rate currently. But I can also make more videos that have make, 2021, how, YouTube, and subscribers in the title to get a higher click-through rate. Let's go to the last feature, which is advanced analytics. This shows the top ranking videos on my channel based upon clicks and impressions, views, clicks per views, average view duration, watch time per impression, and click-through rate. So you can see the top video has a 9.91% click-through rate. Typically, the click-through rate for YouTube videos is between 2 and 10%. So ideally, you want to get closer to 10% than 2%. So that's over the lifetime, but I can also do it over 24 hours, 48 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. If I do 24 hours, then the top ranking video is how to monetize YouTube videos without 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers in 2021. No traffic source available for this one, but I can also do impressions. So I can choose 1 impression, 100 impressions, 1,000 impressions, or 10,000 impressions. So let's choose lifetime. Then I can also choose traffic source. So let's choose suggested. And then I'm going to choose 1,000 impressions. So this video, Are You Losing Subscribers, has a click-through rate of 4.61%. I probably want to make more videos of that type of topic. I can do the same for search. Lifetime search, I've got how to make YouTube shorts on your computer. I've got a click-through rate, very high click-through rate of 11.73%. And then I've also got a high click-through rate on YouTube notifications not working. So I probably want to make more videos on those particular type of topics. Keep in mind you need to upgrade to the legend option of TubeBuddy to get the click magnet feature. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Another great feature which is complementary to the click magnet feature is the thumbnail split testing tool. To get to the thumbnail split testing feature, click on the TubeBuddy icon, scroll down, I'm going to click Create A/B Test Now. And as you can see, I'm currently split testing multiple thumbnails. For instance, in this one, I'm testing this left-handed thumbnail with this right-handed thumbnail. Under data analysis, it says based on the total number of impressions and clicks, we are 78.55% sure that your variation will perform better than the original. So the blue bars represent the variation thumbnail. So we've got click-through rate, we've got impressions and clicks, watch time per impression, daily impressions, daily clicks, total views, average view duration, and total minutes watched. So overall, the variation thumbnail is doing 78.55% better than the original thumbnail. So that's the thumbnail I would choose for this particular video. If I want to create a new test, I just click on Create A/B Test. Then I can select any of these thumbnails. So for instance, this one, select thumbnail CTR test, select the number of days. So I can select 14 days, then click continue. Then I just upload a new thumbnail and start the test. That's all there is to it. If you're currently using TubeBuddy and you want to upgrade to the legend option, so you get the click magnet feature and this thumbnail split testing feature, then use promo code HermansBuddy at checkout. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Hey Herman, are there any other TubeBuddy tools that you would recommend? Absolutely. Just watch the video on the screen right now for the top 10 TubeBuddy tools to get more views on your YouTube channel and videos.